Alright, everybody. We are working on 2016 Jeep today. Crank but no start. Got a new battery for it. Some new spark plugs. Battery's all the way dead, so we went and traded it in. We're going to try to get this thing going. As of right now, this is what we got. We're going to get into it and see where it goes. Alright, we're going to dive into this. We got poor lighting because I only got my headlamp right now. I didn't bring all my other batteries out. See what we got here. Two different sizes. That's crazy. I just found out that my phone has a light as well with the recording, which is pretty cool. So, made a little better bright light for y'all. That was in. And then when you got the wrong sockets, you don't have a spark plug sockets, you just stick these things down in there. Most of the time it'll grab them. I think these ones are get the spring loaded, so take cool pack apart. You see that? See how bad them plugs are? They're pretty wet, fouled out. Hoping that's one of the problems with the car is the plugs being bad. There's cylinder number 2. Look at that gunk in there. That thing, there ain't no way that thing would ever run with them in it. Here's the third one. Look at that fire right there. It put one hell of a barb on there. There's the fourth one. They're all pretty bad looking. Alright, that one's gone. We ain't laying in the mud to try to get it back. So we're going to put this cool pack back together. That's together now. I'll eat that over there. Let's see. Oh yeah, them look a lot better. That's more like it. I might actually take it back apart because I don't want to just drop us down in there and smash it and shit. And that kind of helps out getting in there without dropping it in and bending it and making it where it won't fire at all. Things have a mile-long thread on them, which is crazy. They look good though. I don't know, I ain't never used this brand of spark plug before, so we're gonna try them out. I think these cool packs are about wore out too, so I'll probably end up buying those next, because if this ain't the problem, then it has to be cool packs. I do know the battery that was in it was the wrong size battery, so we just went and bought a battery that is definitely the right size battery now. Cost, I think it's like $120, I believe. But you know, it is what it is when you gotta buy the right parts. It had 2 low cold cranking amps, and you know, with it being winter time, not having proper cold cranking amps, it will not fire up with all the electronics these cars have nowadays. So we went with I think it cost for $770 or $760 cold cranking amps for this car. So we went with 800, I believe, and that'd be the best for this vehicle. Make it fire up better. So we're gonna hope that that's all it needed. We'll throw the spark plugs in. As you can see, that throttle body is definitely brand new. We think we done the relearn for it the right way. Not 100% sure. I had another friend that's a mechanic as well look at it, and he thinks we done the relearn the right way as well. So if everybody thinks it's right, it must be close. We changed the alternator on here too. because we thought it was draining the battery, but it's just because the battery was too small for the car, as far as we know. But we went ahead and changed the battery anyway. It looks like all the clips to hold this thing in place are broke, but we'll fix that later. Alright, last thing's last. Put this battery in and see what's up with it. I know, right? Massive battery for a little car, right? Alright. Well, alright, got battery in. We got all new spark plugs, new throttle body, new alternator. This thing should do something. I'll probably change the battery and the key fob as well real quick, because I do believe that can have a substantial problem with this car as well. We're going to see. Let's see. Get in here. Let's see. Alright. You pull this little lever right here on the back of the keys. Pull that out. If your battery gets dead, you still unlock it. Put the face off. I'm sure that's how you got to the battery on these things. No other secret to it, I don't think. There it is. Pull that battery right there out. We'll go ahead and pull the battery out. Got another one right here. As far as I know, these things are kind of hard to open. I did not bring a knife with me. Alright, let me go get a knife out of the car. Oh, about dropped it. Got the battery now. Let's see. It does not say how to put this in there. So, I'm just going to go with it, and I'm just going to stick it in there. It'll either work or it won't. Look right, maybe? I don't know. Maybe this will tell me. Nope, that don't tell me. Maybe this will tell me. Nope, that don't say nothing. Alright, well. It works. I just set the alarm off with it. So, I must have done something right. Alright, maybe. Get that all pieced back together. Alright, fob's back together. Now we're going to push the brake in. Hear what it's doing? That's what it's been doing. So we thought spark plugs was bad. I guess that was not it. Well, we're going to try again.